it can almost be equated to what are the keys to success in a different way when I think about this question. And I think the honest key is you've got to find something you're passionate enough about that nothing can stop you. Like you wake up happy every morning because you're like, I'm gonna be the one that figures this out. And then you have to persevere. That's it. You have to persevere. There are so many times when I thought about quitting, but I just couldn't do that. I knew we could survive. We could keep going. Like I had another company that I was doing. It was a construction company on the weekends, and I was using money from there to keep the lights on at our incubator for the company. Things like that. You just have to persevere because on the other side of all of that pain and unknown is really the greatness that you're finding. So for any founder, if you're passionate and you persevere, and it takes you 5, 7, or 10 years, which most people don't realize is how long it normally takes to find any value in a startup. If you're willing to persevere and tell yourself that you can hang on for 10 years, you will be successful because along the way, you'll see enough factors, you'll have enough people help you, you'll know enough to figure out really where the value may lie. So persevere because your first idea is not going to be where you end up and where you find success. It's just where you start and then you hop on. So yeah, perseverance. I would say follow a passion that you can persevere with, and no matter how long it takes, you'll find it and you'll be successful.